Welcome students. Now today we are going to see some important MCQs of basic electronics. Course code is 22225. It is for computer technology or computer group diploma second semester. Question number 1 is a resistor with color band red gold has value of what? It is 22K 5%, then 2K 5%, 220R 5% and 22R 5%, and the answer is B, that is 2K 5%. Then second question is a resistor and capacitor in series. It is called as, see the diagram, pulse circuit, timing circuit, or it is also known as delay circuit, then oscillator circuit or frequency circuit. Then fourth option is such mid circuit, and the answer is B, that is timing circuit or delay circuit. Then question number 3 is connecting a lead from the negative to positive of battery will produce. First is high resistance circuit, second is short circuit, then third is low current path, and fourth is an open circuit, and answer is B, that is short circuit. Question number 4 is what is the approximate characteristic voltage that develop across a red LED? It is 1.7 volt. Question number 5 is if two resistors are placed in series, is the final resistance? First is higher, it is the final resistance, which is not common value of resistance. 2K4, it is not common value of resistance. First three are the common values of resistor. If a small value of capacitance is connected in parallel with a large value, the combined capacitance will be higher. Then question number 8 is if the voltage on the base of transistor area increases, does it turn on, turn off, or not enough information, or remain the same? This information is not enough, it is the answer. The resistor identified in brown, it is called as what? It is called as load resistor. A 100N capacitor in parallel with 10N produces 110N. What does LED stand for? LED means light emitting diode. The lead marked with arrow, it is known as the emitter. Then question number 13 is a 10K resistor in parallel with 10K produces 5K. It is the answer. Then next is the symbol is, in question number 14 symbol is given. Symbol is of what? It is PNP transistor. 15. Two 3V batteries are connected as shown. The output voltage is what? The output voltage is 0 volt. A resistor is in ascending order R. See third option, 3R3, 4R7, 22R and 5K6. These are in ascending order. The closest value of this combination is 2K3. It is the closest value. The stage, it is called as common emitter. This stage which is given in diagram, it is called as common emitter. The four symbols are, which are given in the image, are capacitor, microphone, potentiometer and electrolytic. These are the four symbols. The value of the combination is, it is 200N. It is the value of combination which is given in figure. The resistor marked in red is base bias resistor. Then question number 22 is name the three leads of a common transistor. Collector, base, emitter. Then question number 23 is a red gold resistor in series with an orange gold resistor produces 35,200 ohms. Name the four components which are given in image. photo Darlington transistor, then reed, switch, piezo and coil. To obtain a higher value of resistance, resistors are connected in series. A capacitor and coil in parallel, it is called as what? It is called as a tune circuit. When a base is raised, the emitter will be rise. Then question number 28 is, what is 100p? It is 1N. The current in a circuit is 45 mA. This is 0.045 amp. A 100N capacitor can be expressed as 0.1 mu microfarad is equal to microfarad. 1 mA is equal to what? It is 0.001 A. Then question number 32 is 1200 MV is equal to 1.2 V. If 10K resistor is placed across a 10 V supply, the current will be what? It is 1 mA. Then for XOR gate, what is the output when both inputs are high, output is low? Then this arrangement, it is called as, see the arrangement in figure, it is called as common collector or emitter follower. Then identify the correctly connected LED. It is B, it is correctly connected LED. Identify the correct statement about this figure. The cathode lead is shorter, it goes the negative rail. This is B statement, it is the correct. The signal at the collector will be inverted. The purpose of the capacitor is what? Block DC from the input line, that is C is the answer. The direction of the conduction for a diode is A, it is the direction. ADC voltage means it remains constant. A DC voltage remains constant. A CRO is what? It is cathode ray oscilloscope. Then these jargon terms means, jargon is equal to language peculiar to Mickey electro cup of trade, and the answer is microfarad electrolytic capacitor picofarad. Question number 44 is, the tolerance bands gold, silver, brown represent what? 5%, 10% and 1%, that is C. 223 on a capacitor represents 22 Nn is equal to nanofarad, it is the answer. 46th question is, arrange these in ascending order. P, N, P, U. In ascending order is P and U. Name the symbol. It is the Schmitt trigger. The symbol given in diagram is Schmitt trigger. The number 104 on a capacitor indicates what? It indicates 0.1 mu and 100 N, that means A and B both. What is the multimeter detecting? The voltage across the capacitor, that multimeter detecting. The current required for LED is between 3 and 35 milliampere.